This is the giant chain forging process that engineers haven't shown anyone for 50 years. Tons of red-hot steel blocks are transformed beneath giant presses. In this scene where the ground trembles with every blow and sparks illuminate the sky, you'll witness the perfect harmony of manpower and machinery. Have you ever wondered how railway lines are manufactured? In this video, we open the doors to a massive rail production line. Hundreds of meters of steel billets are heated in giant furnaces until they turn fiery red. Then, they're hammered and rolled at incredible speeds, shaping them with millimeter precision. Inside this massive factory, ordinary plastic granules are transformed into massive HDPE pipes in minutes. The high-temperature melting raw material flows like liquid steel as it passes through giant extrusion machines. The rotating screws, shining molds, and continuous production lines push the limits of engineering in every detail. In the heart of China, amidst vast industrial facilities, stands an engineering giant, Shandong Iriate Energy Equipment. Here they build not ordinary machines, but massive systems that will generate the future of energy. Massive steel boilers, high-pressure heat exchangers, and energy conversion equipment, each weighing tons, assembled with millimeter precision. In this factory where molten aluminum flows like lava, you'll witness the incredible process of the aluminum ingot casting line. Metal heated to thousands of degrees in giant crucibles flows, glistening into the casting molds. Each flow is directed with meticulous precision, while massive cooling systems stabilize the metal shape. These components, hidden at the heart of aircraft engines, are the true heroes of the sky: jet compressor blades. In this video, you'll witness one of aviation's most delicate and challenging manufacturing processes. As molten titanium is shaped in forging presses, every stroke is calculated to prevent a $1 million mistake. In this factory, echoing with the echo of giant presses, you'll witness the birth of forged steel wheels. Steel billets, heated to thousands of degrees, glow red as they are loaded into giant hydraulic presses. Every impact strengthens the metal's internal structure. Every shaping stroke redraws the limits of durability. Have you ever wondered how those giant steel wheels that travel millions of kilometers on rails are born? In this video, you'll witness the fascinating process of making train wheels. Glowing red steel billets are heated to thousands of degrees in giant furnaces. Then, giant presses, using tons of pressure, pound the steel into a perfectly round shape. This video takes you deep into the heart of the world's hottest, most impressive factories. Molten metal, red-hot steel, and showers of sparks. Every scene reveals production lines pushing the boundaries of human engineering. Giant presses shake the ground, liquid steel flows like lava, and machines grind to a rhythm. Have you ever wondered how ordinary trees are transformed into durable, flexible, and smooth plywood? In this video, you'll see the step-by-step process of transforming wood into this engineering marvel. Thick logs are loaded into giant de-hulling machines, and in seconds, they are de-hulled into thin sheets. These layers of wood are carefully stacked, coated with glue, and then fused together under high temperatures in giant presses. In this video, you'll witness the production of one of the unsung heroes of modern construction: automated fiber cement siding panel production. In giant mixing tanks, cement, cellulose fiber, and silica are combined in perfect proportions. Not just any ordinary mixture, but a direct formula for durability. This liquid mixture is then passed through giant rollers on automated lines, transforming into thin yet incredibly strong panels. how can a tiny spring move giant machines, vehicles, and millions of mechanisms? In this video, you'll see the incredible steps of the spring manufacturing process. Step by step, thin steel wires are fed into high-speed rotating machines and are coiled like works of art. Every turn, every spiral, measured with precise measurement and precise tension, is precisely measured. Inside these massive industrial facilities, a flawless choreography of fire and steel begins, the production of steel drums. In this video, you'll see step by step how ordinary sheets of metal are transformed into strong, leak-proof steel drum barrels. Giant coils of steel enter automated lines, are cut to the nearest millimeter using laser cutting machines, and are then rolled into cylindrical shapes in giant presses. In this video, you'll witness a process where millimetric precision and absolute engineering combine. Bullet production. Between polished brass casings and steel molds, each piece is shaped with incredible precision. Giant presses forge the casings to the micron level, followed by gunpowder filling, bullet insertion, and a tight seal. In this video, you'll see step by step how high-pressure gas cylinders are manufactured. Thick steel tubes are placed in giant presses and shaped into a cylindrical shape with thousands of tons of force. The ends are then sealed, and welding robots create a perfectly leak-proof seam. Every process is controlled with micron-level precision.